Has he not been coming to the office for 4 days? آیا هغه د څلورو ورځو نه دفتر ته نه راځي؟ Has he not been coming to the office for 4 days? Has it been raining since last night? آیا د پرون شپې راسې باران وریږي؟ Has it been raining since last night? I have been working hard for 2 days. زه د 2 ورځو راسې ډیر محنت کوم. I have been working hard for 2 days. How long has he been waiting for? هغه د کلي نه انتظار کوي. How long has he been waiting for? I have been looking for you for several months. زه د څو میاشتو راسې ستا لټه کوم. لټه یعنی لټون. I have been looking for you for several months. He lied. هغه دروغ وی. He lied. We have worked very hard for this. مونږ د دې دپاره ډیر محنت کړی. We have worked very hard for this. His brother failed last year. تیر شوی کال د هغه ورور فیل شوی و. His brother failed last year. He has lost his reputation in the market. هغه په بازار کې خپل نوم خراب کړی. He has lost his reputation in the market. He did not dine with me. هغه ما سره روټۍ ونه خوړه. He did not dine with me. I did talk to him on this issue. ما دې مسله کې هغه سره خبره کړي. I did talk to him on this issue. I saw him yesterday. ما پرون هغه ولیدو. I saw him yesterday. He used to meet me daily. هغه به روزانه ما سره میلاویدو. He used to meet me daily. All his dreams melted away. د هغه ټول ارمانونه په خاورو کې میلاو شو. All his dreams melted away. I lost my appetite. زما ولګه ختم شوه. I lost my appetite. I gave him a crushing reply. هغه له ما ټیټ ځواب ورکو. I gave him a crushing reply. He quietly slunk away. هغه په خاموشۍ سره لاړ. He quietly slunk away. He dug his own grave. هغه په خپلو خپو په خپله تبر رواچاو. He dug his own grave. He took his servant to task. هغه خپل نوکر د کار د پاره بوست. He took his servant to task. I gave him a slap on his face. ما د هغه په مخ سپېړه ورکړه. I gave him a slap on his face. This news spread like wildfire. دا خبر لکه د ځنګل د اور خور شو. This news spread like wildfire. He outbid me at the auction. په نیلامۍ کې هغه زمانه سیوا بولی ولګوله. He outbid me at the auction. We reached the station on time. مونږ اډې ته په وخت ورسیدو. We reached the station on time. I grabbed him by the neck. ما هغه د مرۍ نه ونیو. I grabbed him by the neck. He called my dad. هغه زما پلار ته کال وکړو. He called my dad. My brother won 4 prizes. زما رور 4 انعامونه ګټلي. My brother won 4 prizes. His sister won 4 prizes. د هغه خور 4 انعامونه ګټلي. His sister won 4 prizes. I loaned him 1000 rupees. ما هغه له 1000 روپۍ قرض ورکړې. I loaned him 1000 rupees. He just arrived here yesterday. هغه پرون دلته راورسېد. He just arrived here yesterday. Last year I used to come to school on bicycle. تیر کال به زه په سایکل مکتب ته راتلم. Last year I used to come to school on bicycle. He used to go to England every year. هغه به هر کال انګلستان ته تلو. He used to go to England every year. He scolded me but it was not my fault. هغه زه ورټلم خو زما غلطي نه وه. He scolded me but it was not my fault. The teacher punished him. استاذ هغه له سزا ورکړه. The teacher punished him. Haven't you called her to the party? آیا تا هغه پارټۍ له نه ده راغوښتي؟ Haven't you called her to the party? He goes there every day. هغه روزانه هلته ځي. He goes there every day. He was weeping bitterly. هغه ډېر ژړل. He was weeping bitterly. The gardener was watering the plants. باغوان بوټو له اوبه ورکولې. The gardener was watering the plants. He was making a fool of you. هغه ستا نه بېوقوف جوړ کړی و. He was making a fool of you. How can I convince you? زه تا څنګه پوهولی شم؟ How can I convince you? He will overwhelm you. هغه به په تا حاوي شي. He will overwhelm you. He was dissatisfied with the job. هغه د نوکرۍ نه مطمئن نه و. He was dissatisfied with the job. I am dissatisfied with his answer. زه د هغه د ځواب نه مطمئن نه یم. I am dissatisfied with his answer. Can you mend this broken chair? آیا ته دا ماته شوي کرسۍ رغولی شي؟ Can you mend this broken chair? The feast was served by my friend. بلنه زما ملګري ورکړې وه. The feast was served by my friend. It's never too late to repent. په توبه کولو کې هیڅ کله نه دی ناوخته شوی. It's never too late to repent. My appeal proved futile. زما غوښتنه کول بیکار ثابت شوه. My appeal proved futile. It would be futile to protest. احتجاج کول به بیکار یي. It would be futile to protest. He is so diligent. هغه ډېر محنتي دی. He is so diligent. She is so sweet and alluring. هغه ډېره ښکلې او زړه راښکونکې ده. She is so sweet and alluring. I am on my way. زه په خپله لار یم. I am on my way. He runs a grocery business. هغه د اټای کاروبار کوي. He runs a grocery business. This ointment can work on your skin. دا ملهم ستا په سرمن کار کولی شي. This ointment can work on your skin. He drives like a lunatic. هغه د یو لیونی په شان ګاډی چلی. He drives like a lunatic. It is not greed but envy. دا لالچ نه بلکې حسد دی. It is not greed but envy. Envy never dies. حسد هیڅ کله نه ختمیږي. Envy never dies. He admitted his guilt. هغه خپل جرم قبول کو. He admitted his guilt. Why is he restless? هغه ولې نا آرامه دی. Why is he restless? He is restless on something. هغه په څه خبره نا آرامه دی. He is restless on something. You need to be with me. تا له ما سره د اوسېدو ضرورت دی. You need to be with me. Don't you trust me? آیا ته په ما باور نه کوې؟ Don't you trust me? What is this? دا څه دي؟ What is this? This is a firefly. دا یو ورورکی دی. This is a firefly. Keep a strict eye on him. په هغه باندې نظر ساته. Keep a strict eye on him. No need to make fun of him. په هغه پورې د ټوکو کولو ضرورت نشته. No need to make fun of him. He made 100 of excuses. هغه سل بانې جوړې کړې. He made 100 of excuses. You are a so-called mason. ته صرف په نوم مستري. You are a so-called mason. You should be habitual of these things. تاله د دې شیزونو عادت پکار دی. You should be habitual of these things. Such time will never come into your life. داسې وخت به ستا په ژوند کې هیڅ کله رانشي. Such time will never come into your life. Everyone is waiting. ټول انتظار کوي. Everyone is waiting. Where are you? ته کوم ځای؟ Where are you? یا تاسو داسې ویلی شئ ته چېرته یې؟ You are the light of my eyes. ته زما د سترګو رڼا یې. You are the light of my eyes. You are the peace of my heart. ته زما د زړه سکون یې. You are the peace of my heart. Who was he? هغه څوک و؟ Who was he? He was my close friend. هغه زما نږدې ملګری و. He was my close friend. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.